Hey guys, we are back. It is day 4, part 4 of our project. And I'm so excited to show you guys. Everything is moving right along. I have Lady T over here. She is working on our crop panel. So we're getting ready to do the next step in the crop process. But as you can see, I like to do every other panel. And that's how I keep it really consistent, really great. Again, today we're starting on the Grassello Venetian Plaster, and we removed all the tape and the paper with all the crumbs and the sanding from yesterday, and we're gonna start fresh today. And we're actually gonna be polishing that layer up. So I'm super excited to show you guys that. Got Mr. Daryl over there working. So yeah, stay tuned. Hey. All right, so I wanted to check in. We're getting a lot done. We have about 4 panels left before the crop is actually filled in. And I'm so proud. Hey, say hey, Miss Linda. Hey. So the lady's doing really, really well today. It's been pretty easy going. We do. Hey, okay, we're done. Day 4. We got the crop wall almost done. Look at that. Crop wall. Doesn't that look amazing? So we're gonna come back, sand it down. I do have to finish the bottom, but we did a really, really good job today. And so that was the biggest focus, was the crop. We do use Venetian plaster. I use acrylic Venetian plaster. I do not use lime base for a specific reason, but it's so pretty. You see, you can't really see it out here, but it is nice. All right, guys, have a great weekend.